Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly technical insights on Civil 3D. If you haven't watched the previous week's weekly technical insight video on Civil 3D, I suggest you watch it first before contributing to it. Apricot Technologies is a Win Zero company and partner of choice for AC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley, along with authorized training centers. We have 300 plus dedicated team members with clientele over 20,000 in AC and associate industries. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shubham Vani, Solution Specialist Civil 3D at Capricorn Technologies, New Delhi. We'll present you with our weekly technical insights. If the example of PPT file are accessible to import into the Autodesk Civil 3D and Subassembly Composer, or if the program in built-in subassemblies maybe is customized. The same assembly may be utilized in a varieties of projects and widely used in designs, including junctions and important structures. Therefore, the current drawing or subassembly composer itself can export assemblies data, and easily we can import the .pkt subassembly file onto assembly tool palette. In this technical insight, we shall be highlighted in importing assembly files, and we can add any corridor section, and we can apply and modify the subassembly in subassembly composer. In this insight, we shall be understand the followings: the how to import subassembly component and assembly tool palette, how to import subassembly in subassembly composer, and last one is how we can use of that subassembly in Civil 3D. So let's get started. So here is in Civil 3D and using a palette. Here it is a tool palette. So you can click on tool palette. Here it is the tool palette open, and we can import from the tool palette itself. Right click on this. Here it is option to new palette and import subassembly also. So you have a .pkt file you can import from here also. So firstly I make a new palette for here and simply demo project. So here I can import all the PKT files. I have some PKT files. You can click on import and source file, define your PKT. So here it is subassembly.pkt file. I can select that and open and click on OK. And here it is, the PKT file has imported, and you can access from here. Simply create assembly. Okay, here it is assembly, and that can be used with drag and drop. Here also. It can be useful for you, and similar one more assembly can add. Here it is second assembly. You can also access from it is similar also. Can import all the data to verify. And whether it is, I can also create a new palette for drag and drop properties. Project. I have the assembly for all the data in assembly. You can drag and drop also. Here it is assembly. You can also access the assembly in any other project, direct assembly. Here it is only component, and this is the our total assembly file or detailed cross section sheet. I can also be used as well assembly direct. Okay. And here it is the assembly file. The tool palette also exported that whether you can click here. So you can click here right down and it's customized palette and also the access from projects. And here it is import and export. So you can export this file and any other computer you can go to customize and click on tool palette. Here it is import. So you can import the total assembly file from here also. Okay. I hope you guys had insightful session. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for all updates. We will be delighted to hear from you. Do reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic you would be want to discuss. See you next week. Thanks and take care.